Hi, are you an entrepreneur who is going in for a new startup, launching a web app? Or you are a businessman who is tired of boring and generic websites and graphic designs?
Meet Paul.
Paul decided to launch his new startup by hiring freelancers from freelancing websites.
After 6 months, Paul is still struggling to launch his business and is running out of funds. He is even considering robbing a bank.
I need more funds. I need more funds.
Don't be like Paul. Choose Falcon Tech. At Falcon Tech, we specialize in building startups, creating unique and stunning websites and graphic designs and customized solutions tailored to your needs. What's the secret? Well, with over 11 years of experience and serving like 14 plus startups, and with the power of great developers and designers, we are ready to collaborate with you to bring your vision to life. Don't settle for mediocres. Contact us today. New clients can also enjoy up to 20 free hours of graphic design services to experience our expertise. Don't wait. Reach us today to stand out.